Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we're going to be doing a purple smoky look. So to start off today's video, we're going to be dipping down into the Kylie Jenner Nice palette using the color Macaroon as a transition color. I'm going to be using it on my Kylie Jenner vacation brush, and I'm going to be sweeping it all over right above my lid. This is a great color to start off this purple smoky look because it is a cool tone and it works great. So now I'm going to be taking a darker deep color from the 35P palette from Morphe. The colors are a lot darker than they seem on camera, so I promise you, trust me here. I'm going to be putting that all over my lid, but really kind of focusing it on the outer crease, but also making sure that it blends with the pink. Now I'm going to be taking some translucent powder. I'm just going to be cutting a crease where I want my eyeshadow to stop, so we don't have any huge fallout, because we are working with dark shades. Now I'm going to be going back in with that dark, deep purple. I said it right this time. And I'm just going to be adding it in. Now I'm going in with the Naughty palette in Coal. And I'm just going to further make sure that purple and the macaroon shade are blended together. As you can see, I'm not taking it too high because I want to make sure that pink color comes in and gives us some room, because we don't want to bring all the dark colors up towards the eyebrows because it's just going to make it look like we got punched in the eye. Now I'm going back in with some macaroon and just making sure that pink color is still coming out and that things are further blended. Now I'm going in with kind of a lighter purple because I really want to make this like a purpley look. So I'm putting that all over the lid above that darker purple, so it kind of brings it out a little bit more, but also doesn't have it be too vibrant. Now I'm going to be taking some black in the 35P palette. I'm going to be mainly putting it on the outer crease, but kind of bringing it over, because I do want this to be a purple smoky eye. I will have some black in there. Now I'm just further blending it over. Don't worry, I'm going to go back with purple as I am right here. Just making sure that the look is going to be purple, but that black really helped it because it kind of made it like that cat eye. Now I'm going to be taking my Kylie Jenner brush with no macaroon on it, just leftover. I'm mixing it all over. Now a clean brush and just making sure that things are further blended into this look, because we don't want any harsh lines, guys. So now we're going to go into the Golden State of Mind palette by ColourPop and using the purple at the very bottom of the palette. But before we do that, we are going to cut my crease right here with a Morphe brush using the Makeup Revolution Concealer, which is my new favorite. I'm going to be cutting my crease just enough so we can apply that purple shade right on top. I wanted to do the purple shade on top concealer instead of the purple because it just brightens it up a lot more. And damn, look at that pigment, girl. Making sure that my whole crease, or not my crease, my lid, girl, get it together. My crease is covered. Now we're going back in with some of the darker purples that we used, and we're just going to make sure that shimmer and my matte purple colors are all blended together. Again, no harsh lines up in here whatsoever. Using the macaroon shade and just, again, making sure everything is blended. I wanted to make sure that since it is a darker look, that I had space in my eye, like you could see where things were, and that those purple shades weren't up in my eyebrows, because, listen, we aren't doing that today. So I wanted to do a little more pizzazz, so I took that pink shade from the Golden State of Mind palette. I'm just putting it lightly right on top of that purple just to give it a little more spunk. It's a purple look with some pink. Hey, why not? Now we're going in with a beautiful mauve shade, and I'm just going to slightly buff that out on my lower lash line. Then after, I'm going to be taking some macaroon, and I'm going to be kind of blending it out even more. So now we're going to take my Pretty Vulgar eyeliner with a super cheap brush I got off Amazon, which is the best eyeliner brush ever. But I'm going to be slowly outlining my eyes. I always like to start with actually outlining my eyes instead of making my wing right away. I just like it because it's kind of just it's like a starter. It's literally an outline. I was so happy when I got my line straight. I'm like, yes, first try. I just did this makeup, this eye look, and my eyeliner is going to be beat. So now I'm going to be going in with my Butter London Double Decker Mascara. This mascara is great. It reminds me a lot of the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. It's just cheaper, so hey, why not? So to highlight the brows and the inner corner, I'm going to be going in with my KKW Beauty highlighter palette, the first one. and we're going to use the pink shade. It has a slight pink undertone to it, and I think it's beautiful and perfect for this look. So like I said, we're putting it underneath the brows and then in the tear ducts, just to really make sure that even though this is a darker look, we're going to be opening the eyes up completely. Look at me, I'm so concentrated. So now guys, that's the final look. I just took my hair down, swished it out a little bit. This is my natural hair. It's a pain, but it is nice and I do appreciate it. But I hope you guys liked today's look. Thank you so much for staying here watching, and I really appreciate all that you guys are doing. I really hope you like this. I'm going to be having a lot more tutorials to come like this, so please stay tuned. Bye guys. Thank you so much. Love you.